Hi folks, today I bring you a panel from Philips, model FWV55. Even though the panel is controlled by a TMP87CS71F microprocessor, which naturally limits our ability to modify its behavior, it is still an excellent example of the attention to detail that manufacturers invested in these mini sound systems. The VFD display is particularly impressive. It combines green, blue, and yellow illumination, together with a sophisticated set of animations that give the panel a very distinctive appearance. After bringing the panel to life by supplying the required voltages and making sure that pin 8 of connector 1400, labeled power down, is held in a high state, we can begin exploring some of its functions. One of the most interesting features is the built-in test mode. To enter this mode, press the next and aux buttons simultaneously while powering up the panel. When the test mode starts, the display will show the firmware version. From there, we can cycle through the display test functions. Simply press the play button several times to move through the available display tests. To exit the test sequence, press stop. While still in test mode, we can also view information about the crystals present on the panel. Pressing the previous button displays the value of the first crystal. The display will show 32K, corresponding to 32.768 kHz. Pressing the button again displays the second crystal, which operates at 8 MHz. Another useful function is the ability to clear the internal memory. This can be done by pressing the fast backward button. If the operation is successful, the display will show the message New. The panel also allows the demonstration mode to be enabled or disabled. To do this, press and hold the stop button for more than 10 seconds. The first time, demonstration mode will be enabled. Repeating the same action will disable it again. There are additional test menus available as well. I will leave those for you to explore on your own. For anyone interested, the service manual for this system can be found online and contains detailed information about the available test functions. The standby indicator LED had to be installed externally. For this purpose, we used the 2.7 kΩ resistor in series with the LED. An interesting detail is that the standby indicator remains off whenever the clock is being displayed. Beyond the clock functions, the panel also provides control over several audio-related features. These include volume adjustment, sound environment settings, selection of CD tape and auxiliary inputs, and configuration of RDS functions, including traffic announcement or TA and news mode. When the panel is idle, it automatically returns to displaying the clock information. This makes the panel surprisingly useful even today. It can be reused as part of an audio control project, or simply as an attractive clock with support for multiple alarm functions. And thanks to its colorful display and rich animations, it still manages to stand out many years after it was originally designed.